everyone, the iPhone 10 will launch soon! Wait! We are ready! We have all accessories for iPhone 10 and more is coming. Let's stay tuned!